Hello everyone. Welcome to Topedia. In today's video we will be reviewing best jack stands for lifted trucks. In this era of the fourth industrial revolution, you'll get everything on the internet. Hence, finding the best jack stand isn't that difficult. But it gets much trickier when your ride is modified, especially if it's a lifted truck. Lifted trucks are modified, so the body is extra 1 to 3 inches off the ground. Most stands come in standard size. So, you must work extra hard to get the best product. Number 1, Torin Big Red T43202. Let's start with something from one of the biggest auto lifting manufacturers in the world, Torin. The company has produced a few of the biggest names in the jack stand or lifting industry. Big Red is one of the sub-brands of Torin. Today, we will talk about its T43202 ton jack stand. It has a 4-legged base. It has a pyramid shape with different cuts between the legs. These ensure maximum stability. The base is made of standard alloy steel. It feeds the device adequate strength to hold on to 6 tons or 12,000 pounds. Speaking of height, it can be set at up to 17 inches. And the minimum lift height is 11 inches. Since we're here to find a product for a modified vehicle, it's more than okay. The top part of the ratchet bar is known as the saddle. It's concave in shape with a wide surface area for better contact. The bar has teeth to adjust the stand to different heights. Torin calls it the sawtooth design. It mainly locks the bad boy to a certain distance without the help of a lock pin or other safety features. If you're still unsure about its quality, you should know that the product is tested thoroughly and meets the ASME standard. Last but not least, the Big Red has a dual-purpose handle. It works both as a carry handle and handle lock. The product comes at just below $50, and I must say it's a great price. Looking at all the quality and service it offers, the price is much more reasonable. You won't find another good piece of machinery at this price. Number 3, Amazon Basics Steel Jack. The second product on my list of jack stands for lifted trucks belongs to Amazon Basics. It's a private label owned by Amazon that offers all sorts of home goods, tech products, and office supplies. When I saw the product for the first time, one name came to my mind. Big Red. It has a similar all-red base look with a black ratchet bar. They inserted leg caps this time. As a result, you'll get better results in terms of stability. Just like the design, the build quality is solid too. The pyramid-shaped base is made of high-quality alloy steel, whereas the ratchet bar has cast iron inside. The stand comes into 3 types, 2, 3, and 6 tons. You can choose either one according to your truck's weight. The minimum height, aka product peak, is 11 inches, whereas the highest hoisting point is 16 inches. The black ratchet bar is self-adjustable. So, it locks your truck by itself after reaching the preferred height. It comes with a sawtooth design and has 9 teeth in total. Again, there's no lock-in or double security feature. Hence, ratchet would be the only one making sure everything's safe. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Steel Jack Stand offers quality, strength, and utmost durability. It has everything a top stand must have. You can buy it any day with closed eyes. Number 3, Torin T43004. It's time to give you another Torin. As I said earlier, Torin is one of the biggest automobile product manufacturers in the world. Hence, the industry is flooded with its products in and out. This time, you don't get a pyramid-shaped alloy steel base. Instead, you have a flat base that comes in aluminum color. This one has no cuts or legs, just a simple flat base. Another significant design difference is the missing ratchet bar. It has a red tube with a cast aluminum bar inside this time. The bar does the main lifting as you can lock it to the preferred height with a pin lock. Yes, unlike the first 2 products, you have a pin lock feature. But no self-locking. The base is made of cast aluminum and is fully removable from the stand. Hence, you can remove it for a better storage experience. The aluminum bar has a large saddle too. Our product can hoist up to 3 tons of weight. This means 3,000 pounds per stand and 6,000 pounds in total. There is no variation available for the item. It has an impressive maximum lift height too. The number goes up to 16 inches. When it comes to the minimum height, it stays the same at 11 inches. To sum up, the Torin T43004 offers top-notch quality, supreme stability, and longevity. Yes, it's a bit expensive, but it has quality. If you don't have a budget issue, you can choose it as your jack stand any day. Number 4, Powerbuilt 620471. The fourth product is different from the conventional jack stands. As you can see in the picture, it's a combination of a jack stand and a hydraulic bottle jack. Hence, it ensures a better result in terms of lifting. Let's unveil its 602,471 all-in-one bottle jack and jack stand. Now, let's understand why Powerbuilt made my list. Since I've discussed its design much earlier, I won't repeat those. The base and most of the product come in an all-black look. The pyramid-shaped part of the jack stand has 4 legs, and the lifting bar goes inside it. It's not a ratchet bar this time. The bar functions mostly like the third product. 3 holes are inside it, and a pin goes into the holes from different heights. The bottle jack is situated just beside the stand. It pushes the saddle bar to go up with the help of hydraulic pressure. As a result, you can easily adjust your lift height after locking the pin in your preferred vertical distance. Now, let me tell you the best thing about the machine. It has a maximum lifting height of 21 inches. Which is by far the highest number on the list up till now. 620471 comes in 2 variants, 2-ton and 3-ton. At first look, it seems like a complex machine. But in reality, it's the easiest of all. There's a user manual in the box to help you around. It's certainly the best choice if you're looking for a product that can lift more than 20 inches easily. Number 5, ProLift T6903D. Let me introduce the ProLift T6903D. The design of the product, at first look, is pretty Bygard-like. I mean, it has the same pyramid-shaped base with the same cuts between the 4 legs. Moreover, the dual-purpose handle and the ratchet bar look the same in shape. The build material is the same too. Alloy steel covered the base, and cast iron was used for the ratchet bar. The product can pull a truck up to 16.75-17 inches. It's great but not the highest. Hence, the saying is partially true. The minimum height, aka product height, is just above 11 inches. It's okay since we're dealing with lifted trucks. ProLift's T-Series products come in 3 variations, 2-ton, 3-ton, and 6-ton. This one is the 3-ton version, meaning you'll get to hoist 6,000 pounds. Generally, it's an ideal product for auto, truck, and shop usage. There's a lock pin feature along with the auto ratchet bar locking this time. I know you'll tell me that the ratchet bar is enough to self-lock and hold a truck up. Yes, it's enough. But the lock pin makes it 200% secure. Now, you won't have a single doubt regarding safety. It has a 1-year warranty. So, you can use it if anything goes wrong with your purchase. Now that you have our complete list of the best jack stands for lifted trucks, you can go ahead and make the purchase decision. For more information and details, visit topedia.com. That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.